Hi, it's Morgan with WTI.
This decorative sphere metal ball from Kesywale is awesome. It can look so good in so many different places in your home. I just think the design is really cool and it can definitely look great wherever you put it. The size is really nice. It's very versatile and it feels really nice and smooth. I love this black color here. I think it's just so cool because it can really go anywhere and it looks good with anything. I think it looks really good on an accent table, but really the possibilities are endless. It can go anywhere and look awesome. I think the size is really nice too because it's not too big. It is just what you would want to add some dimension and an element of fun to your decor. It's 4.33 inches, which is a great little size there. Again, it looks so good whether it's on your bookshelf, a coffee table, anywhere around your house. It really is fun. And it's very lightweight, so that's nice too when you're moving it around. I think this is just a great little piece of decor to add to your home, and I think you're going to love it too.
I love this product, and that's my point of view.